What is the definition of character in storytelling, both in nonfiction and fiction? And what is characterization? A character in any given narrative can be a person, spirit, creature, or thing, and a story's central character is one that moves through a sequence of events, revealing some conflict either with nature or the self, presented by interaction with another character known as the antagonist. An antagonist can be another person or even something natural, like a creature or the environment, or even technology like artificial intelligence. The central character that the story observes in regards to decisions, conflicts, and the consequences of those decisions is known as the protagonist. The characters themselves are their stories. Successful major characters, including antagonists, are layered with backstories, personalities, desires, and insights. Audiences observe, engage, and identify with every thought, dream, failure, opportunity, and missed opportunity a protagonist encounters through the entire sequence of events. The sequence of events they encounter and how they react reveal statements on their values and fears. How characters proceed, speak, and contemplate determines whether or not the audience considers these individuals as multi-layered finished people or one-dimensional flat puppets. The manner in which any explicit or implicit features of a character are observed, that's known as characterization. Characters inform audiences who they are through their physical appearance, rituals and habits, responses to events, responses to other characters, tone and diction of their dialogue, and, of course, through personal thoughts. The more the decisions, actions, and motivations sincerely and clearly underlie characters, the more an audience is informed. The more imperfections, the more the traits appear real and human. And the more relatable, the more the audience experiences a suspension of disbelief before the story. These questions help one recognize and articulate how and why a character is or is not relatable. What imperfections does the character have? What changes does the character undergo? Does the protagonist have a reason for their own moral compass, no matter how broken? Does the antagonist have a reason for their own moral compass, no matter how broken? Is the antagonist powerful enough? Do the characters have familiar preferences or passions? Is the appearance and mannerism of the character imparted in concrete detail? Is the character appropriately equipped to live in the setting of the story? Does the character encounter unforeseen circumstances? If characters are their stories, then their traits are their characters. Every character is an entrance to the world of the story itself, where characters are from, where they're going, what they lose, and what they do in the midst of loss, how they prevail or do not prevail. Characters are active agents who represent worlds and their place in them, and their stories have the ability to affirm the audience's own place in their world too.